I'm back at y'all with another video, and today I'm back at y'all with another DIY video, and I'm just so excited because I've been seeing these stacked sweatpants everywhere, and y'all, they're cute. So I'm just going to make a pair of these for y'all, but I know y'all didn't already see, a couple of videos, a lot of them, because everybody out here trying to make these bad boys, but I'm gonna give y'all the simplest way possible because it's literally 3 steps. I don't know why people got like 10-minute videos on how to make these, but while I'm talking, watch my video come out to like 15 minutes. But anyways, y'all, we're just gonna get into this video. So I got this matching set from Walmart. It was sold separately, so I got the sweater in an extra large and I got the sweatpants in an extra small. So the pants already fit me quite nicely, so that's less work I had to do, because the tighter the pants, the better the wrinkles or ruffles look. So first thing we're going to do, we're just going to cut off the sleeves starting from the armpit. And I'm trying to really cut up under the seam where the arms were attached to the shoulder, just to make my pants clean at the edges, because I don't want it all ragged and raggedy. So yeah, I'm just going to do that for both sleeves. Easy enough. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sweatpants and I'm going to line the little scrunchy bottoms with the little scrunchy ends on my sleeves. This is where it will be attached to my pants. So I just turn the sleeves inside out, go inside the sleeves, and just I can't talk for nothing. Just drag the pants leg through the sleeves so that the good sides are kissing, and then I'm just going to line up the 2 scrunchy parts, and yeah, that's gonna be that. So I'm just going to do that for both sleeves, and then I'm going to pin them together so I can try them on. So the reason I don't like using regular pins is because they end up poking me when I try to try my pants on. So I like to use safety pins because they don't bust unless I really stretch them out. So I'm just pinning those on the front and the back so I can try them on. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew right above the little scrunchy ends, making sure not to close in the hole where my leg needs to go in. So I ended up hand sewing this because I didn't feel like messing with that sewing machine, trying not to close the hole. So this is what they look like, and I didn't like the way they just looked on their own, so I'm just going to add a little more stack to them. So I'm just taking a needle and thread, and I'm basically finna do this over under stitch, and this kind of works like a drawstring for my pants. And did I mention that I also cut off the scrunchy ends because they were real bulky and it just didn't look right? They wouldn't ruffle, like the bulkiness wouldn't ruffle. So I'm just knotting it at the end, and like I said, I go over, under, and it basically scrunches on its own. So it's like I'm manually like scrunching it. So over, under on my needle till I get to a certain point where I have to pull the needle through. And once you pull it tight enough, it basically scrunches itself up. So I'm going to do this all the way up the bottom of the pants, past the part where I connected the pants and the sleeves, just to make sure that part ruffles up and don't stick out like a sore thumb. And then I'm going to do that on both sides of my pants. And once you're done with that, this is how they should look. They're much more ruffled. And this is the final result. So these are how the pants look. Very, very stacked, as you can see. And I made this tank top from extra material of the sweater. This is how I would wear it in the winter time, or just any other day, because I don't like wearing crop tops. And this is just another shirt that I made from the sweater. And yeah guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and make sure to definitely subscribe. And I'm gonna see you guys next time. Peace.